Hey guys, last year Huawei P20 Lite was the solid affordable member of the P20 family and it looks like it will get a 2019 makeover. According to a new leak, the Huawei P20 Lite 2019 will offer a refreshed design with a hole punch display and a quad camera setup. The phone will feature a 5.84-inch of IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. Around the back, the P20 Lite 2019 will pack a quad camera setup headlined by a 24MP primary snapper. The other three sensors are yet to be confirmed, but it is rumored that one of them will be a TOF camera like we have seen in Honor V20. The processor inside is a Kirin 710 and will come with the 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. The battery will come in 3000 mAh with a fast charging support. P20 Lite 2019 will come in black, blue, red, three colors, and the pricing will be in the international market. You can buy this phone for $315. So the release or launch is yet to be confirmed, but this phone is coming for sure. So let us wait till June 2019 and see what Huawei P20 Lite 2019 is packed with. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.